How to disable security questions on Yahoo Mail. Open your Yahoo Mail application. Yahoo Mail no longer uses security questions for account recovery. Instead, it relies on phone number, recovery email, and two-step verification. If you previously set up security questions, they have already been removed from your account settings. However, you can update your recovery option for better security. From the home screen, you have to tap onto the profile icon from the top left corner. Select Manage Accounts. Tap on Accounts. In the Account section, select Security. In Security screen, you have to enable two-step verification. Toggle it on and enter your phone number. Yahoo will send a verification code via SMS. Enter the code and tap Verify. This helps protect your account from unauthorized access. And that's it. Yahoo no longer uses security questions, so make sure your recovery options are up to date.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more tutorials. Drop a comment if you have questions or suggestions for future videos. And don't forget to check out our playlist. See you in the next one.